In this video, we'll learn how to upload an image, create a frame for it, and position it correctly in the scene. We'll also cover how to fix common placement issues like when an image or an object gets stuck behind a wall or ends up beneath the floor. Now, the first thing we want to do is go up here and select on the plus icon so that we can upload an image to use. Now, the content window is open. Let's go ahead and click on the upload to select an image. All right, great. So now our image is in our scene. Let's position it on the wall like this. Now, in most cases, you would click on the image, and on the right side, you'll get a few different options to move and adjust the image position. Or you can move it using your mouse by clicking and dragging it like this. Now, also keep in mind, at the same time, you can move around with your avatar too with the image selected. Now, what if the image goes behind a wall or in an area that your mouse can't access? This is where the Edit Layers panel mode comes into play. When you're in this mode, a list shows up on the top left of the screen, giving you the ability to select some objects that are in the scene. So in this example, this is our image here. So now we can simply select it from the list since our mouse can grab it. Now, you may also notice that the view changes as well. You can now navigate the scene using the W, S, A, and D buttons on your keyboard. This allows you to travel and move through the space and even through the walls. So if you have an object or frame outside of your space, then you can simply move to that object and grab it this way as well. Now, to return to the normal view, you can simply hit the escape button on your keyboard or click on the layers panel button. I hope this was helpful to know how to upload an image and how you can quickly grab an out of position object that's in your scene.